Hello and welcome. So what I have here are two short questions to illustrate the dividend discount model. So company ABC just paid a dividend of $2.15 per share, which is now expected to grow at a constant rate of 5% per year. If the required discount rate if the required rate of return on the stock is 11%, what is the current price and what will be the price in 3 years from now? All right, so let's parse out the variables that we are given here. So D naught or D0 or the dividend in time period 0, like right now, is $2.15. We have the growth rate at 5%, and we have the required rate of return or R at 11%. All right, so given this, we are able to calculate what the price of the stock P naught is right now. However, the formula is equal to the price of the stock right now is equal to D1, dividend 1, divided by R minus G. So what we actually need to do is to calculate what D1 is going to be. Dividend 0, the dividend right now in time period 0 was $2.15. However, the formula is that we need dividend 1 because we're actually discounting dividend 1 here. So we're given the growth rate for dividend 1. So what I'll do is calculate dividend 1 over here, and I'm just going to do 215 multiplied by 1 plus the growth rate. So 225. So P naught is equal to dividend 1 divided by R minus G. And I have this $37.62.5. So it asks what the price will be in 3 years. So what I actually need to do is calculate what dividend 4 is going to be to do that. So I'm going to take my D naught, my dividend right now, and multiply that by 1 plus the growth rate to the power of 4. And my price at time period 3 is going to be my fourth dividend divided by R minus G. All right, so there we have it. So that's question 1, fairly straightforward. Question 2, we have a company that will pay a dividend of $3.20 next year. So we're given D1, dividend 1, 3.20. This is the dividend next year. And they're anticipated to grow at a rate of 6% per year. And what we need to, and we're given the current stock price as well. So we're given P naught at 63.50. What is the required rate of return? All right, so this is just going to be some simple arithmetic for us. We have the formula here. P naught equals D1 divided by R minus G. So we have 63.5 equals 3.2 divided by R minus 6%. All right, so what we can do is just rearrange this formula and basically do 3.2 divided by 63.5 equals R minus 6%. So R minus, this is not the best to do in Excel, so my apologies about that, equals all right, so now I just basically need to add 6%. So R is equal to, I'm going to do this plus 6%. So the required rate of return on the stock is 11%. All right, I hope that you found this useful. If there are any questions, please feel free to reach out.